Have you ever felt amazed by something surprising? This word describes that strong feeling of wonder and surprise. Amazed means very surprised and impressed by something unexpected or extraordinary. It is a strong positive emotion. A common mistake is confusing amazed with confused. Amazed means surprised and impressed, not unsure or puzzled. We say be amazed at by something or amazed to see learn. For example, I was amazed by the magic show. She was amazed at the beautiful painting. They were amazed to find a hidden treasure. I felt amazed by his talent. We were all amazed by the fireworks. A little boy saw a huge rainbow for the first time. He was amazed by all the colors shining in the sky. Think of a maze like a maze that surprises you. When you enter a maze, you might be amazed by how tricky it is. Now you know amazed means very surprised and impressed. Try using it today. See you next time.